Today we are making Kadhi Pakora, pure Punjabi style. It's a simple recipe but takes a lot of time, 2 hours approximately. So stay with me till the end of the video. And you will be able to make Punjabi Kadhi Pakora and surprise your family. Take 1 kilogram of yogurt. Blend the yogurt for few seconds. Also, blend gram flour chickpea powder, with some water. Put green chili in blender jug, add water to blend it for a few seconds. Put all that in a cooking pot. Add 2 tablespoons of crushed ginger. Add 2 medium onions. Add 2 teaspoons of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric and let it cook for an hour, but keep stirring it from time to time. When you see it in this consistency, it is ready. Now we are going to make pakoras, then it will be complete. For pakoras, take 1 potato and 4 to 5 green chilies, 1 onion, a handful of spinach, some fresh coriander finely chopped, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, 2 teaspoon coriander seed, 1 teaspoon turmeric, add a cup of gram flour chickpea powder. Add water gradually, make it like a hard paste texture. Do not add too much water. Now take that pakora batter in your hand and put it in hot oil in small biteable portions. Fry it for 4 to 5 minutes and add it to curry. Now for tarka. Take 150 milliliters of oil, add 1 chopped onion, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, fry onion until it's brown. Pour that oil on top of the curry. And finally, it's done. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.